Trustworthy Cleaning Services offer residential cleanings for homes. We do recurring cleaning services, deep cleaning. The difference between deep cleaning to a standard cleaning is a deep cleaning is a cleaning from top to the bottom. We clean everything. We do offer customizable plans. You can start from weekly, every 2 weeks, every 3 weeks, once a month. We always trying to accommodate all our clients, so we always make it happen. The factors affect on the cost of the cleaning is about the condition of the house, how big is the place, and also how often needs the cleaning. Because the price starting for a weekly cleaning is lower than somebody wants a monthly cleaning. We do have same-day service. If you need it and you call me, we will be there. So if you want to start using our cleaning company, call me, find us online. We can schedule visit and give you the price the same day.